Here we have a Boone Avenue railroad crossing in downtown Corbin, Kentucky. You have the first signal. It has a modern industry space. You have old CSX emergency information dot tag. The dot number is 353-628T and milepost is 00Z 171.57. The lights are modern industries topped by 20-inch lights replaced to incandescent LED is Leotech EB series LEDs in them. And the bell is NEGE bell from Amtrak and CSX line. And here I have the gate mass is modern industries base. Here I have, wow, look at this. The gate mechanism is made by GRS and WRS gate mechanism. And here we have the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights. So, and over here we have second signal. So, okay, nothing's coming, so I'm good. Nothing's coming, so I'm good. Over here we have second signal gate mass over here. So, over here we have clam style base. Another CSX emergency information, right, CSX right here. And the lights, so listers and different styles of lights. So top by 20-inch lights are all modern industries topped by 20-inch lights. And the rear lights are Federal Signal topped by 12-inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs. And the gate mass, we have another modern industry space and GRS gate mechanism. And we have, here I have one energy gate light and Rico LEDs. And over here is the relay case. And here's a pathway. That way leads to the railroad yard, and that way leads to Landon. So yeah. I can get back over here so I can show you the view of the crossing. Okay, there we go. That's a better view. So here I have Boone Avenue railroad crossing in downtown Corbin, Kentucky. Over and out.